Say goodbye to complicated setups with the easy-to-install window guards, featuring a hassle-free installation process that eliminates the need for drilling or special tools. Simply clean the surface, peel off the adhesive backing, and securely stick the rain guards into place for a seamless fit in no time. The rain guards for the car windows are crafted from premium grade PMMA, ensuring unmatched durability and long-term resistance against fading, cracking, and warping. Experience optimal air circulation, keeping your car's interior cool and breathable. The window rain guards not only allow fresh air to flow in, but also effectively block raindrops and wind gusts. Additionally, they offer sunshade and UV protection, safeguarding your passengers and car interior from harmful UV rays. Perfect for pet-friendly travels, rainy days, the rain guards offer a convenient and comfortable driving experience.